Hello guys, welcome to my new video. So guys, today I am going to discuss very important topic which is essentialism. I will repeat, essentialism. It is a concept given by Greg McKeown in 2014 in his book, which is Essentialism, the discipline to pursuit of less. So this is very important concept guys, which we can adopt in our life, and it will change our life drastically. It will give us focus in our life. It will not only create urgency, it will also create a mode where we will focus on things which are truly matter to us. And what is this concept, Alok? Tell us. And yeah, I am going to tell you. So essentialism is simply like clearing your wardrobe, right? You take out all the clothes from your wardrobe and you put only those clothes which are best for you and uh, which are you needed the most. You use them regularly, so you only put those clothes back to your wardrobe, and the other which are remaining, you are going to throw it or you are going to donate it. It is as simple as like that. It is the method. Essentialism is a method where you focus only on things which matter to you. And this is powerful concept, right? We focus on things which are really important for us, or we think this is something which is going to create more impact in our life. So what I will do, I will prioritize that thing. I will essentialize that thing. And believe me, this is powerful. In this concept, writer tell us to don't go for as many as things you can, because remember this line in your life guys: you can do everything in life, but you can't, sorry, in your life you can do anything, but you can't do everything in your life. I will repeat: in your life you can do anything in your life, but you can't do everything in your life. So what I can do, I can prioritize things. I can do only things which are essential to me, which are important to me. And how I will analyze or think that this is important for me or this is not important? Here you have to use the concept of impact, which is the one or two thing which I can do right now and that will create more impact me in my life for future, or right now it will create more impact and it is more important for me. And believe me guys, this is easy process. We can really analyze. Let's take example. Right now I am doing Python, I am learning Python, right? And I am also shooting this video, and after shooting this I go through editing process that take 5 to 6 hour of mine, taking images from different sources and then merging it into making into one video. It take a lot of time. So now I will use essentialism concept in my life, or at this process. Right now what I will do, I am going to prioritize Python at my upper and YouTube at lesser. Why? Because I have to now focus on the Python only, because it take time, I know. And in your life, if you want to have a mastery or at anything, the only thing you need is focus, deep focus. So from now I am going to give more time to Python, which is right now my priority in my life, because it is going to give me stability, financial stability in my life, right? So this is how we can prioritize things and we can become better in our life. It is not something you have to do lot of things. You have to do only do lesser things but effectively. Yeah, productivity and effectivity is going to count in this, right? So guys, this is essentialism mindset, where you focus on doing less things but doing them really well. We focus on doing them really well. Right, guys? So this is the main concept of essentialism, and why it is important in your life. Focusing on essentialism, it is also important concept, right? So because, guys, first, your time and your energy are limited, right? These are limited resource, so we have to choose things where we have to invest it carefully. We have to be very careful in our mind where I am giving my time and energy. So we have to use this concept of essentialism. Second, as I told you, you can do anything in your life, but you can't do everything in your life. And this is powerful. So I cannot do everything in my life. So I have to prioritize once again what is right now important in my life. Right now, I have to learn this skill, right? So we can use this. So this essentialism also saves you or protect you from burnout, right? Right now there is a lot of hustle culture, not even getting 8 hours of sleep. People are doing more and more things to grow on their career and in their life, but we forget one thing: to do anything in our life we need focus, and also we need energy. So to have more energy we need rest. To have rest we need to save some time, and we have to really manage this. I will really recommend you to read this book, Essentialism. Even you don't have too much time to give to this book, go on chat gpt and ask the summary of this book, or ask important concept of this book. This can really help in your life. This can really change your life. You can achieve lot of things